Do you remember a time before eBay when we had classified ads in like magazines and local papers and stuff like that? Well, I was looking through some Amiga shopper classifieds and some magazines the other day, and I thought to myself, I wonder if A, the phone lines still ring, because back then it was all just landlines. B, will they answer? And C, will they still have or be interested in the Amiga? Well, today I'm going to try and find out. So let's see what happens. Right, so as mentioned, Amiga Shopper. This is a folder with about 8 or 10 Amiga Shopper magazines from 1995. I think they're all 95 actually. Yeah, whatever. Kindly donated to me by a good friend called Russ. Cheers for that, still got it. Right, issue 50, June 1995, Shopper Reader Ads. Turn your excess equipment into cash or find a true bargain. Buy, sell, swap, exchange, substitute, no matter what your intentions are. These are the only pages that reach the truly devoted Amiga users. Now obviously I've blocked out the ads just in case they are still alive. Right, let's crack on. Right, here we go. Let's see. Well, I've got a Philips CM8833 Mark II monitor, £105. Power computing RAM expansion 1.5 megabyte for £500, £29. Kumana ST506 hard drive interface with 40 megabyte drive, includes 5k RAM, 512k RAM. Right, let's pick a random one here. There's a Philips monitor. So we will have
connected. If you've dialed correctly, I'm afraid it means that the number is not available from this network.
That's a fail. Right, let's try again. Pick another random one.
Not being connected. If you've dialed correctly, I'm afraid it means that the number is not available from this network.
Righty ho. Right, maybe third time lucky. Let's try this one.
You've dialed an incorrect number. Please check the number and try again.
For this number are being screened by Talk to or Call Safe. Please say your name after the phone, then press the hash key and wait to be connected.
No, leave that one. Here's one here. Amiga 500. Right.
Hello?
Hello, just ringing about the Amiga 500 computer you got for sale in the Amiga Shopper magazine.
Oh, I'm afraid you must have the wrong number.
Oh, right, is that not Stuart?
No, it isn't.
Oh, okay, sorry, love.
Don't worry.
Bye, love.
Okay.
Right, Stewie doesn't live there no more. Right, let's try another one. Lock the phone.
You've dialed an incorrect number. Please check the number and try again.
Right, July 1995, issue 51. Let's pick a random number. Something that looks... Ooh, CD32.
You've dialed an incorrect number. Please check the number and try again.
Right, we have another one here. Amiga 4000.
Calls to this number are not being connected.
Nope.
If you've dialed correctly, I'm afraid it means that the number is not available from this network.
Okay, Amiga 500. Nope. Let's try another one while I'm here. Amiga 600.
My number is
Hello, just ringing about the Amiga 600 you got for sale.
Pardon?
Have you got an Amiga 600 for sale in the Amiga Shopper magazine?
Magazine?
Yeah, just an advert.
Magazine, yeah.
No, you haven't got one for sale?
No, sorry.
Alright, okay, sorry for you bothering me.
Okay.
Alright, cheers, thanks. Couldn't understand the word of that one. Right, issue 52, August 1995. Right, let me start with something that catches my eye. Milton Keynes Amiga 1200.
Hello?
Hello, I'm just ringing about the Amiga 1200 you've got for sale in the Amiga Shopper August 1995 edition. Have you still got it for sale?
I think you've maybe got the wrong number. I don't really know what you're talking about.
Ah, right, okay, I'm sorry to bother you.
Bye-bye then.
Okay, bye love. Right, here we go. Issue 53, September 1995. Let me pick something that catches my eye. There's an Amiga 4000 here. Boxed as well. Let's see if...
Hello?
Hello, I'm just ringing about the Amiga 4000 you've got for sale in Amiga Shopper magazine, 1995.
Hello?
Hello, I'm just ringing about the Amiga 4000 you've got for sale in Amiga Shopper 1995, September edition.
No, no.
No, what year is this? What
I don't know anything. Sorry.
All right. What year are we now?
2021.
Oh, I thought it was 1995, sorry. Alright, no worries, sorry for bothering you. Right, let's have another one. Amiga 1200 for sale. Boxed original software. Flashback, Another World. Monkey Island 1 and 2. Dragon's Lure. Righty-ho, let's have a bit of this.
You've dialed an incorrect number. Please check the number and try again.
No worries. Right, issue 54, October 1995. We have a Commodore 1084S monitor for sale. Always wanted one of them, so let's have a little look.
Hello?
Hello, just ringing about the Commodore monitor you've got for sale in issue 54, October 1995, Amiga Shopper. No, that was a hang up.
An incorrect number.
No.
Please check the number and try again.
Amiga 500 for sale. Start LC200 monitor. Let's try that one. Huh? No, I don't quite know what's going on with that one. Oh well, next mag. Issue 56, December 1995, and another bumper edition. One half of it has got the wanted section. Fanzines, BBS and personal. Pick a random one. There we go. Amiga games for sale.
You've dialed an incorrect number.
Amiga 500.
An incorrect number.
Nope.
Please check the number and try again.
Right, one more from this one. An Amiga 1200, a desktop dynamite. Right, let me just put my little thing under there. It says after 6 PM, but they may have retired. Unwanted gift, never been used. Bargain at £250. Wow.
Or two.
Hello, just ringing about the Amiga 1200 you've got for sale.
Sorry?
Just ringing about the Amiga 1200 you've got for sale in December 1995 edition of Amiga Shopper.
Oh, well, I'm sorry. It must be my son. He's not here at the moment.
All right, it's Jason, is it?
Yes.
All right, okay, cool. I'll ring it back later on.
Ring back later on.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, after lunchtime.
Okay, thanks a lot for that.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Wowzer. Wowzer. So Jason still lives there, and he could potentially still have his Amiga. Right, Amiga Shopper, Christmas 1995, issue 57. Right, what catches me eye here? Amiga 3000. Here we go.
Calls to this number are not being connected.
Nope.
If you've dialed correctly, I'm afraid it means that the
Let's try the one underneath. They've got an Amiga 4000 for sale. 030 processor.
calls to this number are not being connected.
No.
If you've dialed correctly, I'm afraid it means that the number is not available from this network.
Right, Amiga 1200 for sale. 80 megabytes, Blizzard 1220, 4 megabyte accelerator, sound sampler. I'll have a bit of that one, I think.
Hello?
Hello, just ringing about the Amiga you got for sale in Amiga Shopper magazine.
I think you got the wrong number.
All right, Amiga 1200 now. No, okay, sorry to bother you. That's gone. Right, let's try a local one. And when I say local, I mean Liverpool. No. One more. No. Oh well.
You've dialed an incorrect number. Please check the number and try again.
Two more. One more.
You've dialed an incorrect
No.
number. Please check the number and try again. You've dialed an incorrect
No.
number. Please check the number and try again.
Right, one more from this one. Amiga 1200 system, brand new and wanted gift, complete with additional software, top word processor and graphics package with several games. £365 or $395 with extra floppy drive.
This number are not being connected.
No.
If you've dialed correctly, I'm afraid it means that the number is not available
Next
from
mag.
this network.
Next up we have March 1996, issue 60. Let me see. There's an Amiga 1200 here. Oh, ringing. Needs a quick sale. Also need articles for new Amiga magazine.
Hello.
Hello, just ringing about the Amiga 1200 you've got for sale.
Sorry?
The Amiga 1200 you've got for sale in Amiga Shopper.
No.
Oh, right, okay. Issue 1996. No, Amiga
Sorry?
1200 for sale, no?
Maybe that's from my son, but he's not here.
Oh, right, okay. Yeah, I'm just calling from 1996. I just wondered if you still got it.
No.
No. Oh, okay, then. Sorry to bother you.
Okay.
All right, thanks for your time. Bye. April 1996, issue 61 of Amiga Shopper. And I have here an Amiga 1200 in Sheffield by the looks of it. Call Phil. I wonder if Phil still lives there. Come on, Phil.
Welcome to the messaging service.
No, we haven't that one. £700. No, that's a dead one. Right, another Amiga 1200 RAM expansion board, populated with 8 megabyte capacity, FPU, slotted battery backed up clock, sensible offers please. It's okay. Call Carl. This one's going to be another dead one, I think.
Hello. Your call can't be taken at the moment, so please leave your message after the tone.
No.
Incorrect number. Please check the number and try again.
Well, I've just seen another one here, which is kind of local.
Hello?
Hello, I'm just ringing about the Amiga stuff you've got for sale in the Shopper magazine.
Sorry, you've got the wrong number, mate.
Alright, is that not Ian?
Yeah.
Alright, it was just an advert from 1995, you see. I just wondered if you still got it.
1995?
Yeah.
I remember now. I sold that machine ages ago, mate. That's a long time ago, mate.
Alright, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm just doing a small little YouTube video, and basically I'm just ringing up some old classified adverts and see if they've still got the Amiga stuff, really.
Yeah, I remember that now. That was my first computer.
Alright. Oh, cool. That's weird. Yeah, alright, cheers for that, matey, thanks.
Okay,
Alright,
cheers.
bye,
Bye.
mate, thanks.
Bye.
Bye, mate. Right, that wraps up today's video. I've had fun doing that. I didn't think I was going to get the responses that I did, but, you know, hey-ho, you don't know until you try. Cheers for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Just before I go, if you are one of those people who answer the phone, and you are sitting there watching this video now, get in touch. It would be actually be nice to speak to you. Especially Jason, have you still got your desktop dynamite? Get in touch, mate. See you later.